Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, inside this particular video I want to show you guys an update on our step index, and also I will also show you an update on our boom and crash index. So I told you that this indicator does not reprint. The arrow signal that you see on this particular chart does not reprint. It does not reprint. You can see what once it appears, it stays permanent on that particular chart, and this is one of the best indicator that you can help yourself with. So I told you guys that this particular red yellow line indicates for downtrend, and our particular blue signal here indicate for our uptrend, and we have our green arrow for uptrend, we have our red arrow for downtrend. So inside this video we are going to explain how you guys can use this perfect indicator to make a lot of profits in trading step index. Don't forget, it is step index 1 minute. We are going to be making use of 1 minute to analyze this video, and you can see our first entry confirmation as our last trend is this particular zone, and we can see that we have a downtrend here which indicates a yellow signal at this particular area, and it happens that we have our down signal to appear at this particular zone. So just imagine that you enter your trade around here, so you are going to be making a lot of massive profit from this trade, taking this. And also we have another signal here for our uptrend, and this is a confirmation for us to enter, and this is also another confirmation for us to enter. So we have a two confirmation enter here. We can see how the trade move on a massive uptrend, and we have the second one which also go on a massive uptrend. So, and also we have another signal at this particular area. You can see this is another signal area. We can see that it has a downtrend, and we have our confirmation trend to be on this particular zone, and we go on a massive downtrend up to this particular level. So that is a massive profit, guys. That's a massive profit. And also we have another one here. You can see this is a first signal, and this is another signal. You can see that I take this trade, the two trade here, and also I take this particular trade. So this indicator is very perfect and is very accurate. All what you need to do is to understand how this indicator works, and it works massively, guys. This is another setup at this particular moment, and we can see that it has a level at this area, and where it has a second level at this particular area. So this is so massive, guys. This is so massive. So one of the best thing that you can help yourself with is to get this perfect indicator. I told you guys that it does not reprint, and now currently we are having an uptrend in the market, so we are waiting for our signal to appear to trade along with this uptrend. So once it appears, then we can go in the market to take our trade on the uptrend level. So that is how this indicator works. So to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group and get access to us, and you can easily get access to this indicator. But this indicator is not for free, guys. It's not for free, guys. So it's going to cost you a little, but it is very avoidable, and also this is one of the best things that you can use as a beginner in trading step index, and also it works on all boom and crash index. So all what you need to do is to analyze your trade and trade according to how I explain inside this particular video. So guys, thanks. See you guys in our next video. See you guys. Thanks.